Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you the easiest way to save YouTube videos right to your iPad. To install YouTube on our iPad, we'll start by going to Settings, as that's where we control various aspects of our device's functionality. On screen time, we select Content and Privacy Restrictions, then navigate to iTunes and App Store purchases for more settings control. Ensure installing apps is allowed here for this specific process to proceed smoothly. Now we'll head to the App Store, where we'll search for the YouTube app, making it easy to find and download the right version. The YouTube app installation has started, and we can see the progress unfolding on our screen, which is a great sign that everything is working as expected, and our iPad will soon have the YouTube app up and running smoothly. Sometimes, network issues or iCloud sync problems may prevent installation, so you'll need to confirm your Apple account password to proceed, which is a standard security measure to ensure your account's safety and verify your identity, especially when installing new apps or making changes to your device. Enter your Apple ID password now to securely and easily complete the installation process. Our YouTube app is now successfully installed and ready for immediate enthusiastic use always. Now you know how to download YouTube on your iPad. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tips.